Hey Don, what are you staring at that cup like that? What are you looking at?
Well, I have our stickers, our logo on here.
Oh yeah, I love our stickers.
Yeah, and I was just thinking if there's just a way to like get that big,
Right.
we could like put it on our RV or something like
Right.
that. You know,
Right, like supersize it, make it giant, make it
yeah, like big.
Well, normally that would take a lot of wine and a steak dinner. But no. Hey. But yeah, I'm into science.
You are into science.
And I like
that's
Nikola
true.
Tesla. Tesla believed with vibration and frequency, that was the key to everything.
Right.
Let's try a little experiment. Let's try it here. Hold the sticker. There we go. We'll just kind of go, Om. Om. Come on, you got to vibrate. Om. And actually, you don't have to conjure up Nikola Tesla or do any vibration or frequency experiments. You can just call your local signs now. That's what we did here in the Woodlands. Yeah, Woodland, Texas. There's a signs now, and we want to thank Jocelyn and Ethan, the installer. Just great communication, very professional place. Did a great job. It only took about a week and a half from sending them the logo to installation. So we really do appreciate that. And that was even with some bad weather days. So anyway, just a real nice experience. We appreciate your professionalism, and thank you to Jocelyn for getting it all set up and taking care of us, and also Ethan for doing a great installation. We sure appreciate it. Very professional folks there at Signs Now, and that's in the Woodlands, Woodland, Texas. And we appreciate it, guys. And not enough people say thank you, I don't think, these days, to people that do great work and good service. So we paid for everything on our own, but we just wanted to give them a big shout out and say thanks, guys. We appreciate the good work. Looks great. We love it. Thank you so much.